Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Lasso and crop an image in Samsung Galaxy S24. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open gallery. Now in gallery, open an album and then open the image in which you want to use Lasso to crop image. So now after opening the image, click on this pencil icon to edit, and here click on this icon, and from here click on Lasso option. Now here select snap to shape and click on your image or part of an image you want to crop, and then check if there is any problem, and after checking and after selecting click on next, and then again click on done to save. Now you can see this image is saved. So that's how you can use Lasso and crop an image in Samsung Galaxy S24. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.